the #1 tips for health and longevity. Hey Bill, have you ever wondered why some people live longer and healthier lives than others?
Yeah, I've always been curious about that. What do you think contributes to it?
Well, one factor could be their diet, particularly their consumption of fish. Did you know that in certain countries, people eat a lot of fish and also tend to live longer?
Really? That's fascinating. Which countries are you referring to?
According to research, some of the top countries where people consume the most fish and also live longer on average include Japan, Iceland, Norway, South Korea, and Greece.
Wow, that's quite a diverse list. Do you have any idea how much fish they typically eat?
On average, people in these countries consume anywhere from 50 to 150 kilograms of fish per person per year.
That's a significant amount of fish. I wonder how it contributes to their longevity.
Well, fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to have various health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, improving brain function, and promoting overall well-being.
That makes sense. A diet rich in fish could definitely contribute to a longer and healthier life.
Absolutely. Plus, in many of these countries, fish is often prepared in healthier ways like steaming or grilling, which helps preserve its nutritional value.
It seems like there's a strong connection between diet and longevity. Eating fish not only nourishes the body but also supports mental and emotional well-being.
Exactly. And it's not just about the nutrients. There's also a cultural aspect to it. Sharing meals with loved ones and enjoying traditional dishes can enhance our sense of belonging and happiness.
Well, I'm certainly inspired to incorporate more fish into our diet after learning about this.
Me too, Bill. Let's embrace the wisdom of these countries and enjoy a longer, healthier life together.
Cheers to that, Emma. Here's to good health and happiness.
Cheers! Let's start by planning a delicious fish dinner tonight. Hey Bill, did you know that the Japanese consume over 200 pounds of fish per person each year, with a preference for deep-sea fish like salmon? Really, that's quite a lot of fish. Why do you think they eat so much?
Hey Bill, did you know that the Japanese consume over 200 pounds of fish per person each year, with a preference for deep-sea fish like salmon? Really? That's quite a lot of fish. Why do you think they eat so much?
Well, it's believed that their high fish consumption contributes to their longevity and overall health.
How so?
Fish, especially deep-sea varieties like salmon, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients that are beneficial for heart health and overall well-being.
That makes sense. A diet rich in fish could definitely contribute to a longer, healthier life.
Exactly. Plus, the Japanese typically prepare their fish by steaming or boiling, which helps retain its nutritional value while minimizing added fats and oils.
That's smart. Steaming and boiling are healthier cooking methods compared to frying or grilling.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the nutritional aspect. Eating fish is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture and tradition, which fosters a sense of community and connection to nature.
I can see how that would contribute to overall well-being. A strong sense of community and connection to nature can have profound effects on mental and emotional health.
Definitely. It's all interconnected: what we eat, how we prepare our food, and the cultural context in which we consume it.
Well, I'm certainly inspired to incorporate more fish into our diet after this conversation.
Me too, Bill. Here's to embracing the wisdom of the Japanese and enjoying a longer, healthier life together.
Cheers to that, Emma. Let's start with some steamed salmon tonight.
Sounds like a plan, Bill. I can't wait. Hey Bill, did you know that many people who live to be over 100 are pescatarians? They primarily eat fish and plant-based foods.
Really? That's fascinating. I've heard about the benefits of a plant-based diet, but I didn't realize fish played such a big role.
Yeah, fish is often considered a key component of the diets of centenarians. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, which are essential for maintaining good health.
That makes sense. It's amazing how what we eat can have such a big impact on our longevity.
Absolutely. And the combination of fish and plant-based foods provides a wide range of nutrients that support overall well-being.
Do you think we should try incorporating more fish into our diet?
Definitely. I think it could be a positive change for both our health and longevity.
I'm on board. Do you have any ideas for recipes?
How about we start with something simple, like steamed sardines? It's quick, easy, and nutritious.
Sounds great. Do you have a recipe in mind?
Sure, here's a simple recipe we can try.
Ingredients: fresh sardine, salt, paprika, lemon slices. Fresh herbs such as parsley or dill.
Instructions: clean the sardines under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels.
Season the sardines with salt and pepper, both inside and out. Place the sardines in a steamer basket or on a plate, making sure they're not overcrowded.
Drizzle olive oil over the sardines and top with lemon slices and fresh herbs. Steam the sardines for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they're cooked through and tender. Serve the steamed sardines hot, with additional lemon wedges if desired.
That sounds delicious and nutritious. Let's give it a try.
Great! I'll pick up some fresh sardines from the market tomorrow.
I can't wait. Here's to our journey towards better health and longevity.
Cheers to that, Bill. I'm excited to see where it takes us. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free and outstanding videos.